doling out the newspaper headlines all the way from the city of Ibadan to the rest of the world.
PAU students committed to community development. AAU Games, LASU VC rewards students with cash. Disquiet over fee hike in Delsu. School owners, educators urged to prioritize pupil safety. Last verb, others train youths. Enugu gets NUC's nod for medical applied diversity. Fedpoly Oko'S Rector warns new students. EX-IGP ARASE seeks support for security agencies. Buhari opens 22Km Ekiti Osun Road. Tackling depression among students. Revive Yoruba language culture.
Afrospace TV, Africa to the wall.